this video, you're going to see a pin. This is a box opening kind of thing for DVPARTS locking pin 70000-00220 pin that's compatible with my KX040. Okay, take a look there. Here is the pin. You'll see a PinDefender, two of them on the pin as well. This is a pin. This is a PinDefender right here. It comes with two washers with epoxy black on it. Another what appears to be washer with a nice looking weld that goes around that holds the pin in place once it's installed, so the branches don't grab it and do this. Trust me, that's actually the way it actually goes. So let me put the first PinDefender on here, and it goes on my second pin. The other one is on the excavator, because when the pin falls out, I'm not a happy camper. Let me pull the towel here. Let's see, what else do I have? I got a Lance Toschi and a Ulanzi, which I use with the GoPro. Here is the second set of washers with the black enamel. The washer with the modified weld, which if I could weld like this, I'd be very happy. I can't come close. It fits on, plus the pin that holds everything in place. It's a quick connect. That's what we're trying to do. And if you look, you can see how that fits on. The branches have a harder time getting in there as opposed to this, which you can see if I can get my paws around it, the wood gets around it. If it's push taut like this, it has a harder time getting in there. Plus these two washers here are designed to give space so it fits in with the Kubota setup to keep everything good and tight. Good and tight, I think, is German. Alright, that's a quick unboxing of the pin, plus two PinDefenders. You will see the link down below where you can order these. You basically send them your name, your address, the location where you want it sent. Then you get an email back and he tells you basically what's your address, where it is, and different ways of paying for it. Venmo, I use to check because I'm old. Anyway, thank you for watching. Please enjoy.